Hi guys! Good morning! Happy Friday! Time check, it's already 10 o'clock a.m. So off ako today, so wala akong part-time later. And then, so, yung isa sa mga assistant manager namin sa pinagpa-part-timean ko is Filipina and Gina. Hi Gina! At naging friends kami, so now we're going to their house. They live in the town where I work, where the store is. So me and Chaz will drive there, and then magluluto lang daw kami ng tuyo, and then have a Filipino breakfast or brunch. So, and then she also has kids, so para play date na rin with Chaz and the kids. So yun yung aming gagawin today. I'm just waiting for Chaz to wake up. Yung nga lang gloomy, pero laban na. So I'm just waiting for Chaz to wake up, and then punta na kami doon. Guys, Baba is awake na at napadede ko na rin siya. So now we're going to SARS first. Kasi, yun nga, diba, magparang Filipino breakfast kami. Eh yung, tawag doon sa town where we're going, walang Filipino store. So, bibili muna ako dito ng okra tsaka talong. Kasi wala si Gigi nun. So, punta muna tayo ng SARS. Guys, nandito na kami sa SARS. So, hindi ko na kayo dadalhin para mabilisan lang. I think. Okay, let's go. So, nadala ko kayo pero hindi na nga ako nakapag-vlog doon dahil challenge si Chaz. At wala ring eggplant and yun, eggplant and okra. Yun yung pinunta namin doon, pero wala. So, tinawagan ko si Gigi. Sabi niya, hotdog na lang daw, yung tender juicy. So, ito lang yung nabili kami. V-Cat. Meron din kami biniling roller coaster. And then, bumili ako ng dalawang klaseng tender juicy. Yung regular, tsaka yung with cheese. And then, skinless, yung ganisa. Chicken. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung nabili namin doon. Now, let's biyahe going to Gigi's place. It will approximately take us 30 minutes. Right, Baba? Chaz is here. Say hi to the guys. Hi, guys. Okay. Alright, we'll drive. Let's go. Ay. Nagpabili si Gigi na late ko na nabasa. Pabili nga siya cilantro and tomato. Now ko lang nabasa. Mainit na. Mahangin sa labas, medyo chilly. Pero yeah. Anyway, okay, let's drive. Sabihin natin on our way there na. On our way.
Got me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind.
We have our direction. This is 34 minutes. Okay, let's go.
There's nothing left, but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. My love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain.
Nagdede naman siya.
I got you,
Yung I'm taking my chances. Charot lang.
I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you
Laban na ba? I think laban na. Okay, laban natin to. Perfecto. Okay, we're good. Sige guys, mag-drive muna kami ni Chai.
my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. My love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you.
Itong dog. Nakita ba yun yung dog sa kabilang car? Guys, we're here in Ana Cortez. That's the name of the town. Let's call Gigi.
Hello?
Gigi, dito na kami sa Ana Cortez. Punta muna kami McDonald's kasi bilhan ko ng food sa
Ay!
Chas.
Sige. Andito lang ako sa car wash at ang dumi ng van.
Saan kang car wash?
Dito sa Ana Cortez rin.
Okay, so saan tayo magkikita?
Sa may Safeway.
Oh, sige. Punta muna kami. Ano bang gusto ng mga bata sa McDonald's?
What do you guys want? You want nuggets? Yeah. Ay, nako.
Chicken
Happy Meal
nuggets?
daw nuggets.
Okay, sige.
Pwede Happy
Ilan?
Meal.
Tatlo? Ilan
Hindi,
ba?
dalawa lang sila kasi yung brother niya na andun sa kabilang house.
Okay, sige. Dalawang chicken nuggets meal. Okay? Okay, sige.
Chocolate milk tapos apple slice.
Okay, sige. Alright.
Ikaw, anong gusto mo sa Starbucks? Kasi dito lang ang kape eh.
Bili ka ba? Yung pa rin yung chocolate na walang kape.
Chocolate na walang kape?
Yung iced chocolate.
Ice ba yun o yung blended?
Iced yun.
Ice? Okay. Sige.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
See you in Safeway. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright. Let's go McDonald's. Get a kid's meal for Gigi's girls. And then Chas will have... Hindi pwede siya pang kids meal eh. Kasi yung fries maliit. Gusto niya nakakaubos siya ng medium fries. Kung gutom pa siya, nakakaubos siya ng large. So, we're just gonna get Baba the regular chicken nuggets. Saan ba yung Baba? Ay, oo nga, lumampas na tayo, Baba. Oh my God. Dito tayo. Lumampas na tayo pa video. Magpas kami sa McDonald's. Okay. We're gonna go. Okay. Ilaban na to. Guys, dito na kami sa Safeway. Dito kami mag-meet ni Gigi. Wala pa sila, nasa Starbucks pa daw. So, kakain muna kami ni Chas. Diyan na lang kayo. Nakikita nyo naman kami yan. Kain lang kami. Punta kong kalikod. You want chicken? Why you don't wanna eat? Very good. Sumubo na rin ako guys dahil magluluto pa and all, gutom na ako. So guys, nagkita na kami ni Gina sa Safeway. Hindi na kayo nakasama dahil ang gulo. Tsaka sobrang daing tao sa Safeway ngayon. Sobrang busy. So now we're just following Gina. Papunta na tayo sa bahay nila. Guys, dito na tayo. Look at yung dog. Ha?
Papauwiin pa, paano ka din yan?
Ayan si Gina. Gina, mag-say ka naman hi sa vlog ko. The beautiful Gina. Ayan, meron silang hot tub. Oh, social.
Hindi naman nagtatambay tayo.
Uy, ang ganda ng place niyo, Gina.
Ha?
Ang ganda. Enjoy ang ating bata. Saan ka magluluto ng tuyo?
Sa loob.
Ayan yung chicken niya, oh.
Oo!
Ayan yung manok ni Steve. Baba, come here. Stay here. Tingnan mo yung chest natin, oh. Nag-i-enjoy doon. Come here. Shadi, come here. Baba, come here. Tingnan mo siya lang doon. Ganyan yun siya. Gusto niya yung sanay-sanay yung mundo.
Ganyan nga yung trio. Nung ganyang age
Yung
siya.
kabiyabayaan ko naman.
Nung ganyan siya, yung ano ko, more on may sarili siyang mundo. Compare sa dalawa. Minsan, gusto niya mag-isa, magulo kasi kung dalawa ng ingay sa dalawa.
Ba't andun siya sa kabila?
Ha?
Ba't andun siya sa kabila?
Meron dito kagabi, kaso nga, kinuha.
Come here.
Yeah, give it on. I'm gonna go cook.
Come here, you wanna go to the water? Ayaw pa niya.
Oh, he will. Of course he's not gonna go in with his shoes. He's not ready yet.
So dito kami magluluto ng tuyo na sa labas kasi yung puti niyang asawa baka magalit. So dito daw kami magluluto. Baba, come here! Come here! Tapos yung dalawang kids andun na sa hot tub. Parang ayaw pa naman ni Jess. Come here! Outside! Why the smoke? Why it's smoke? Is it too hot now? Okay. Ayan na, nilagay na niya yung ano. Yung dalawa. Saan galing yung tuyo mo?
Sa nanay ko sa Pinas.
Ah, pinadala?
There, I lowered down the heat.
No, Baba, don't touch the guys. Say hi, guys. Chaz wants to see.
Call me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head.
Uy, pwede ko na.
Go feeling like
Ate, binigay sa akin ni ate.
it's nothing
Ganyan.
else, but it feels right. I'm feeling you, and I won't pretend.
Guys, ito yung ipiprito namin. Dried pusit, ano ba itong dangu.
I just wanna feel you.
May ganito din. Hindi ko kilala to.
I just wanna get
And then this one.
I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love.
Hindi pa pala mainit.
Di ba?
Hindi pa pala.
Maya-maya, mainit lang yung ano, kailangan natin.
Sorry na talaga. Hindi pa pala mainit, girl.
Maya-maya.
Kasi sobrang amoy yan. Kawawa naman si Steve kung sa loob natin lulutuin yan.
Sana yung part.
Kaya laban na yan dyan.
Ayan, basta kailangan lang siya.
Super bango! Ayan na. Mainit na yung oil, guys. Amoy ko na. Hindi ba tayo marireklamo ng kapitbahay?
Why do you have that?
I'm vlogging. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
We have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah. Jazzy, come here. Stay here. Stay with Mama. Pwede na kaya to? Bango guys, sinagpahit. Baba, you okay? Pinoy nga naman, oh. Gagawin lahat. Makakain lang ng tuyo. So, yan na yung first batch. Ito, hindi ko alam kung klaseng tuyo yan.
I just wanna feel your touch. I just
Is it
wanna
very
give you
hot?
my love.
Hot?
I wanna give you
Ah.
my love. I just wanna give you
Yeah?
my love, my love, my love.
My name is Kate. Which one? My baby? Me? Hello. Oh, Baba, come here. I brought him swimwear, but he's not ready to go. Ayun sa inyo yung mga, ito na pusit na. It's the pusit na. Ito, mabango talaga ito. Sarap. Yung ating siya, sandun lang siya. Baba, come here. Stay here. At nagpupo ang bata. Tapos ko na siya nilinis. Nagpupo mo yung dog. Ang cute. Hi.
Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Then down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You don't want, I don't second guess. Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up.
Guys, ngayon naman, nalulutuin natin yung hotdog na binili natin kanina sa Stars. Hinugasan na niya yung ano. Ayan na yung ating hotdog. Luto na yung ating hotdog. Ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng egg. At meron silang supply ng egg. Nakita nyo yung mga chicken dun. So, marami silang eggs. Ito yung ating gumawa siya sa usawan. At syempre meron tayong spiced vinegar. Ano yan? Organic.
Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't
Where's the
wanna
ball?
say too much.
Okay, come here. Let's wipe the ball.
I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love.
Stay there, come here. Kain na tayo guys. Nagugutom
I
ako.
just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine.
Binigyan na ako ng
Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you. I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine.
Shazzy, no?
Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain.
Stay here, stay here.
'Cause I got
Stay
you,
here.
I got you.
Where's the ball?
Got it bad, I must
Can you borrow it?
confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch.
Get the ball, Mama.
I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love.
Stay there.
I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about
Kain.
it, babe.
Here. Yeah, I know.
Hey, mommy.
After. Here, I'll just leave this one.
Naka-fence naman to, di ba? Hindi naman siya nakakalabas.
Hindi ko nakakalabas kasi may fence yan na ano. At saka may fence dyan. Hindi siya makakano. Kahit dito, meron yan. Hindi mo lang malaw. Meron siyang nest. Kinalang ka ulam sa kahit dito.
Makain siya?
Makain. Hindi naman siya picky.
Kahit ka mga ba yan?
Hindi.
Ito lang.
Kakain yan. Sarap yung matangho. Wala, ang dami pagkain.
Asan siya ngayon?
Nasa work. Send ko sa kanya.
Mommy, I'm
Yeah.
Okay lang si Chas na sa bababaw ng ganyan.
Yeah, hindi naman siya maano. Come here, I can give you some food. Subuan na lang kita.
Baba. Stay here. Baba. What did he put? Thank you.
Lagyan mo na lang para
Baba. Chazzy.
I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no
Guys, nandito na kami sa sasakyan. Paalis na kami in a few minutes. So, punta kami ng Dollar Tree kasi nagbukas na daw yung store namin. Hi guys! Time check. It's already 2:29. So, dito kami sa store. Galing na kami actually sa loob kasama si Gina and her kids. Hindi ko na kayo nadala dahil masyadong hectic. Anyway, pauwi na kami ni Chas. Si Chas nakabili lang 2 ambulance. And then i-haul natin later pagdating sa bahay yung mga nabili natin. Okay? Now, it's time to go home. Doon sa kabilang bayan natin. Bayan natin. Because it's gonna be another 30 minutes drive. Ayun lang. I'll get back to you once we get home.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! Time check. 3:34. Kadarating lang namin. Kasi dumaan pa kami ng SARS. Kasi bumili ako ng pangnilaga ng mga vegetables. So, ano na natin itong mga bagay-bagay.
Colorful candy.
Napagod ako guys. Oh my God. Baba, eat na, go eat. And then, dumaan din kami ng Taco Bell. Pumili ng favorite ni Chas na nacho fries. So, here. Yun. So, let's haul yung nabili namin sa Dollar Tree. First of all, ito yung mga nabili namin for Chas. Ambulance 2. Kaya iniwan ko na si Gina doon. Sabi ko, Gina, pag hindi pa kami umalis, eh baka ba mabili na namin yung buong store. Alam mo naman si Chas. Anyway. Asan yung Dollar Tree? Ito pala. Sa Dollar Tree, hunti lang naman. Itong drying mat sa mga plato, ganyan, after washing. Yun. And then, lahat na to kay Mr. na. Musketeers. Mahilig kasi si Mr. talaga sa mga ganito. Tropical. And then, 2 sneakers. Kasi favorite niya to. And then, baby root. And then, kisses para sa akin. Ang nagasto ko sa Dollar Tree is $14.97. Yun. Yun lang. Wala na nito. Tapos, sa SARS, ito, ay, Taco Bell pala. And then, sa SARS, ang binili lang namin, sa SARS, wait, subuan ko muna yung bata. Kasi hindi pa ito kumakain ng maayos. 2 mandarin. And then, cabbage. Isang potato. And then, corn. And then, nagastos ko naman sa SARS is $19.15. Sa dalawang mandarin, isang corn, isang cabbage, at isang potato. Ay, super mahal na talaga dito sa US. Ayun. Okay guys, yun lang naman. And then, balikan ko kayo mamaya pag nagluto na ako ng nilaga or sinigang. Di ko pa sure. Basta gusto ko ng something may sabaw. Nagbaba na ako actually ng pork kanina bago kami umalis ni Chas. So yun lang naman, magchichill lang muna kami, magpapahinga. And then, yun, magluluto na rin ako maya-maya. Guys, time check. What time is it, Baba? 4:23. Nag-start na ako magluto nung aking sinigang na ang sangkap ay nilaga. Yan na, kanya-kanya tayong luto. So ako usually parang piniprito ko muna siya ng ng a little bit para naman mawala yung langsa. Yun. Pagkatapos ko yung prituhin, isusote ko na siya sa onion and garlic. Tapos ayun yung sampalok mo. Yun lang naman so far. Si Chazzy boy. Chazzy, what are you doing? Ito na. Naka na naman kay mama. Ay, ito pala, nahiwa ko na yung cabbage, tapos corn, tapos patatas. So, ayan na guys. Nalagyan ko na ng tubig. Papakuluan na lang natin to hanggang lumambot. Guys, andito na si Craig. Papa's here. So, sabi ko sa kanya, ilagay pa rin niya yung sasakyan ko sa harap kasi nga 7 AM yung shift ko bukas. And then, nalagay ko na rin yung mga, natabunan ng cabbage. Maano din yan. Time check pala, it's already 5:40. Si Chas, nagkalat lang. So, dumating pala yung Amazon order ko. Yung green t-shirt lang para sa uniform namin sa Dollar Tree. Say hi to the guys. Hi, guys. What are you doing? I'm messing with my toys, guys. Yeah? Baba, I tell you, always close it, okay? And then just watching Francis vlog. Are you watching Francis Candier? I'm so happy for him. Ayan o, sila ni Brad. Congratulations, Francis. As if naman makikita mo to. Pero congratulations. Guys, luto na. Ayan yung corn. Tapos, ito yung, may buto siyang. Sa akin yung buto. Ayaw ni Craig yung buto. And then ito kay Craig. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Hi guys, good evening. Time check, it's already 10:47. Iko-close ko na tong vlog na to. Tulog na si Chas. And I'm also using this mic, so I'm testing it if the audio is really good. Anyway, so yun lang, and I hope you enjoy the day off with me and Chaz, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Love. Thank you for watching, mga langga. Love. See you on my next vlog.